Hello, model car fans. This is Stephen, the Scale Model Car Chief. I'm going to go ahead and change up directions on my video. I'm sitting here by the Christmas tree, my National Lampoon's Christmas tree. Well, actually, my wife's. That's why I like TV movie cars so much. We enjoy watching movies and television shows together, and it brings back a lot of memories for me. But this video, I'm going to change up a little bit on um, a topic that was brought up by Adam at Sodak Model Cars. So here's the thing, the public service announcement, or PSA, so to speak. And it is trying to help the community and other YouTube content creators channels to make sure that we're not hurting some of our favorite viewers by going in, clicking, giving a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever the case may be, and then leaving without really watching a lot of the video. And Adam brought up some great points, and again, Adam, I want to thank you for that. Your model work is top notch, and your paint jobs and just everything you do, I enjoy watching your channel. But we all have favorites, that we enjoy watching their channels and what they do to bring their models to fruition and walking us through the process. But sometimes we might get overwhelmed on how many people we're subscribing to, and trying to sit there and watch long videos that might not be as interesting as some of the shorter videos. So we go in and we think we're helping the content creator in our community, but in essence we might be hurting them. And Adam brought up some great points. So one of those things is, if you're subscribing to some of your favorite model channels, go ahead and try to watch the entirety of their video and comment and like their videos as well if you do. But ultimately what drives the algorithms is the length of the video being watched and how many minutes somebody's spending watching that video. If we just go in and go out in the peak 10 or 15, 20 seconds, that we start watching and say, okay, yeah, I'll give a thumbs up. And then we get past that 30-minute or 30-second or 45-second mark and just leave that video. Really, that's not helping the content creator. It's hurting them with the algorithm, because they won't meet that threshold that YouTube has, whatever that magic number is. I really don't know, because I can't understand the algorithms. I try to, but I'm not doing it just for that understanding the algorithms. I enjoy building models. But going back to what I was saying earlier that Adam brought up, if YouTube and their algorithms are looking at how many minutes are being watched of a video or how little a video is being watched, they're less likely to push it out to a broader community rather than just the select few that might get noticed. So if we want to help our fellow content creators, we need to go ahead and watch a little longer on the videos and give them the thumbs up and the comments. All that will help the community grow and get the content out there. So we might think we're helping by giving that thumbs up or that quick comment, but in essence we might not be helping our fellow brothers and sisters that are building models out there. I enjoy a pretty core group. I try to comment on their videos, but I'm subscribed to a lot of channels. But I can't go in and spend my entire day. I work, and hence my channel name, Scale Model Car Chief. I'm a chief officer at the fire department, so I have other duties and family that I have to go ahead and dedicate my time to. And this is just a hobby. It's relaxing for me, and I enjoy doing it, and I enjoy watching videos. So I'm going to keep posting. But like me, I've hit that wall, where I'm kind of stuck at 450 subscribers, and for whatever reason, I kind of laughed, when I typed on one of the responses to Adam's video on Sodak model cars, was I didn't realize people could unwatch a video. I had one of my latest videos had 103, 109 views last night, and I got up this morning and I looked and I'm at like 87. So whatever happened there, somebody unliked them, or not unliked them, unwatched them. However that happens, I don't. Maybe they hit rewind, or it's a Twilight Zone episode. Maybe I could build some kind of Twilight Zone car. Go back in and get those views and get them put back. I don't know, but making light of it, I enjoy it. I'm going to continue to build my model cars. It's relaxing to me. It's fun. It brings back great memories. I'm sure everybody has a reason why they're doing something, in the model building community. But most of all, if we can help other content creators, please, let's do it. This is a great community. I'm happy to be part of it. And, as I sit here and drink my coffee and sit by my National Lampoon's tree, or my wife's National Lampoon Christmas tree, we have 4 around the house. Different types of trees. But I just want to thank each and every one of you, as always, for watching my videos, supporting with your likes and your comments. Go over and create a video like this, and let's put that public service announcement or the PSA out there for everybody to go in and try to help each other out. So again, Adam, I want to go ahead and thank you for putting your video up and making it at least known to me, and help me have a better understanding of exactly what's going on with algorithms, and how views and watch time really affects what content gets pushed out to other YouTube channels. So again, thank you. Y'all have a safe and blessed day, and we'll see you on the next build. Take care. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief.